How to earn rewards with Kaisar ZeroNode step-by-step guide. Are you ready to maximize your crypto earnings effortlessly? With Kaisar ZeroNode, you can unlock rewards while securely managing your investments. Stick around as we walk you through every step to get started on this exciting journey. Kaisar ZeroNode is your gateway to earning passive income within the crypto ecosystem. By participating in the ZeroNode network, you contribute to decentralization and stability while earning consistent rewards. It's simple, accessible, and designed with crypto enthusiasts in mind. Visit Kaisar ZeroNode's official website and create your account. Follow the guided registration process and activate your account. With an intuitive dashboard and secure platform, you'll be on your way in minutes. Once registered, deploy your ZeroNode with a few clicks. Choose a server from pre-vetted options, ensuring seamless performance. Don't worry, no technical expertise is needed. Kaisar makes onboarding easy so you can focus on earning. With your ZeroNode Live, you'll start receiving rewards almost immediately. The Kaisar platform automates everything, ensuring transparency and reliability. Watch your crypto earnings grow with zero extra effort or risk. Now is the time to secure your spot in the Kaisar ZeroNode network. Head over to the website, create an account, and start earning rewards today. Don't let this opportunity pass. Join the crypto revolution and take your returns to new heights with Kaisar ZeroNode.